One day, Gil and his granny went to the garden to see their geese. When they back home, Granny said to Gil, wash his hands and face. Gil go to the bathroom and wash his face and hands. When he pulls the plug out, he hears that the water runs gurgling out of the basin. The sounds like gug 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 gug. Now let's hear the song.
The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gug 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 gug. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gug 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 gug. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gug 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 gug. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gug 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 gug. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gug 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 gug. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gug gug gug.